all began 120 years ago. And we have grown as a mission. The 12 eggs here.
12 eggs, that's chicken eggs?
Yes, they are showing the 12 institutions from the growth of the mission. And they are showing their potentiality. The dream has not ended. We are still building, and you see the nest is open, meaning we are still growing. So here we are.
What are the 12?
The 12 institutions. We have the Canisius, Charles Luanga, the hospital, we have the parish, Chikuni Radio, Taonga, HBC, and the hospital. Yes.
Various
The
institutions.
various institutions, and we are in one nest as a sign that we are to work together. Just as a church and government want to work as a team. More of collaborated local community, we also want to work together.
So this was the first club to be used by the people of Chikuni Mission. So Father Moro is the one who introduced this club to the people of Chikuni Mission, Monde, Southern Province, Zambia as a whole.
Fantastic. Thank you for that.